Hello everyone, kumusta kilatan? Today is the 18th birthday of Venice. I hope you will all enjoy today. Happiest 18th birthday, Venice. Today you are an adult. Be responsible, be respectful, and always put God first. In Jeremiah 29, our family favorite verse, the Lord declares, "My plans for you is to prosper you and not to harm you, but to give you hope and a future." So, today, always remember that do your best, because in Philippians 4:13 it says, "I can do all things through Christ who give me strength." Always remember verses and all those verses that you can apply in your life. Always remember that you are the best, and we love you so much. From the Caldona family, we love you and happiest birthday. Also to Kyle. Kyle, you've been 21 already. And this is opportunity to greet you happy birthday. And you are 21, an adult. Also be responsible and be respectful. I salute you for being the best child, both of you with Venice. Stay as sweet as you are and always think and do all things that are good for you. Be successful and study hard. Be the best and always be humble, down to earth. And lastly, to all the people that are here, especially the parents of Venice, enjoy your day and make a lot of memories today, because today is the 18th birthday of Venice. Venice, we love you from the Caldona family.